Hey guys, so today we're doing a fun, quick tutorial on how to use eyeshadow as eyeliner. It is amazing to use if you're on the go or in a rush. I love to do this sometimes even when I don't like to use liquid liner. So we are just gonna jump into it and I'm gonna show you guys how to use any eyeshadow as eyeliner.
It's super important that we make sure that the eyeshadow does not transfer onto the top of our eyelids, especially if you have hooded eyes like myself. So an important thing to do is to make sure that there is some sort of base on our eyelid. This will help get rid of the oiliness that I tend to develop throughout the day, and later on we are going to put a layer of translucent powder over it just so it stays and remains dry so that the eyeshadow does not transfer. I'm going to be taking one of my favorite palettes, the Zodiac. This was a Kathleen Lights and Colourpop collaboration, and the color, the Capricorn, is really great for eyeshadow. It is just a simple black with gold flecks in it, and I just love having a bit of sparkle with my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking this thicker angled brush and dipping it into the eyeshadow, and then I'm just going to be lining my eye. I like starting in the middle of my eye, but you are more than welcome to start in the inner corner or wherever you feel is best for you. I just find this simpler for me because it's a good starting place to kind of go thinner at the inner corner and then thicker at the outer corner. As you guys can see, my crease is not that far away from the eyeshadow. This is why I like to start off smaller, and then if I want thicker, I can work from there by seeing my crease. And this just helps because you don't want the eyeshadow to go into your crease, because throughout the day, whether it's hot or whatnot, the eyeshadow can transfer and we don't want that to happen. So you want to keep it below your eyelid crease. And don't worry about perfecting the wing area because we are going to clean up the look later with a super easy method to make it look super sleek and super straight and pointy. So don't worry about that. Just make it as thick as you want it and pack the eyeshadow on to make sure you have it as dark as you want it. So the method we're going to be using to clean up is I just use a baby wipe and I use my nail as a guide, and I literally just wipe up into a wing look or an effect to make the eyeliner look as though we made a perfect wing out of it. Using a baby wipe is also great because then you can clean up any eyeshadow fallout that you may have given yourself, and this is why it's always good to do eyeshadow eyeliner first before your base makeup, because then you can clean up any messes you have. As you can see, I'm going to do it to the other eye, and both eyes come out looking really great and really sharp. Here's a close-up of how both eyes looked. I think they both came out great, and it only took a few minutes to put this together and clean it up, and I just really love how quick this method is. After finishing our eyeshadow, I just put on my base makeup and everything after that, and now I'm going to show you guys how I do mascara on days where I don't use falsies. I like to use a thick mascara and then a thinning mascara, if that makes sense, or just a wand that really likes to separate your eyelashes. Here I'm using Ulta Beauty's mascara. I love this because it feels like it has a thick serum to it, and it just really coats my lashes and elongates them. And then after, I'm just going to be using a Wet n Wild mascara that has a super thin brush, and this helps separate all the thick lashes and makes them look even more natural. So I really like using this combination together when I don't use false lashes. This is how they look after. It's nothing dramatic, but it's something that gives a bit of volume and doesn't look clumpy, so I love using this on a daily basis. And what I love about using a simple eyeshadow as eyeliner is that you can use any color on your bottom lash line and it'll help give a pop to your eyes or a pop to your look. Today I chose like a burgundy red, and I just feel like this color really complemented the color of my eyes, so I thought it looked really great. You can choose any color that you want and it will be shown off beautifully because black is so simple and neutral. This is also a great method used if you just do regular liquid eyeliner. It's just, I think it blends so much better with eyeshadow eyeliner and makes the look just pull together. Here is a close-up of how it looked at the end, and I really loved how this turned out. To finish off the look, I will be using Diamond Kiss Gloss by the brand Lip Sense. I love this gloss because it's simple but gives me so much sparkle on the lips, and I love how glossy it looks, so I definitely wanted it for this look because I didn't want to take anything away from the eyes. This is how everything turned out. I really enjoyed this look, and I love again how simple and easy it is to do. Anyone can do it, and it doesn't even take that much practice because you wipe your liner the way that you want it. So it's super simple and easy.
So guys, that was it. I hope you guys found it as easy as I did. If you guys liked this tutorial, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your notifications so that you know when I come out with my next video. I will see you guys soon. Bye!